Si Mara is frustrated. The Lord called. Isabel knelt in front of the Lord. I am thrilled again, Lord. These matters other than still like father. The Lord paused and said, God, yes, Lord. Go make another man, Lord. These guys will not stay. The angel promised. The Lord replied. The angel carefully molded another dough man. She placed it in the oven. A flutter of wings, a dark shadow went unnoticed. The angel set the oven at 55.5 Celsius. She counted once more. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 18,000, 19,000, 10,000. The angel took out the third man. After a critical examination, she was satisfied. She took the man to the Lord. She eagerly announced, Lord, I have finally succeeded.
It took you long enough.
The angel presented the third man. From the ground, Lord. Isabel said proudly.
Well done.
The Lord turned to the brown man and touched him lightly on the forehead, saying,
Your home will be the Emerald Isle in the future.
The Lord touched the brown man's brow several times.
You will be religious. You will be strong. You will be industrious. You will be hospitable. You will be patient. You will be loving. You will be faithful. You will be eager to learn.
Lord, you seem to be keeping your love with this one.
Hear this.
The Lord said, he paused.
You will help me to fight. You will be able to do.
But Lord, what about?
What about what?
Lord, the prophet is back. The Lord looked closely at the man's back. There was the faint outline of a cross, becoming darker and darker every second.
I didn't put.
The Lord said,
Did you see the black man around the green event?
Isabel thought about it and then said, Lord, I did not see it, but I seem to remember a flutter of wings when I placed the turtle in the oven. The Lord said, he turned to the brown man.
You will be called Malaka.
The Lord touched the man's right side, and the beautiful brown vein ensued by the man's side.
Take her.
The Lord said, he turned to the woman.
You are maganda. Malakas din yung blood. Compare the throne.
And thus it came to pass that Malakas and Maganda became the ancestors of all the Filipinos living on the 7,000 Emerald Isle, located